For more information and current price, I have included all product links in description below.
Next one in our list is Rug Doctor Mighty Pro X3 Pet Pack. As the name suggested, this is a mighty shampooer which goes deeper into your carpets to take care of almost all the dirt that might be hiding there. It is a commercial grade cleaner that professionals use to clean carpets for a living. And you can have this type of performance without having to pay a premium. To help deep clean carpet, the Mighty Pro X3 uses what they call triple action vibrating brush with 75% more bristles to agitate and deep clean carpet fibers. It also fluffs the nap, leaving it smooth and refreshed. One other feature that homeowners will appreciate would be the 3.9 gallon recovery tank. The large capacity tank will be able to hold more dirty water. You don't need to empty it as often. It also has a clean water solution capacity of 3 gallons. Combine that and this machine will be able to clean around 147 square feet of carpet. The Rode Pet Pack combines the most trusted name in carpet cleaning with ultimate customer satisfaction, as it includes a 40 oz bottle of pet formula carpet cleaner and 24 ounces bottle of urine eliminator spray. Engineered to work on any soft surface, the Rode Pet Pack gives a professional grade clean to any surface, even the most vibrant white carpet, including pet beds, mattresses and other high traffic areas. Use Rug Doctor's specially designed antibacterial pet formula to disinfect home and leave carpet deodorized, smelling fresh, and looking renewed, soft, fluffy, plush, rejuvenated and free of pet accidents.
I have included all product links in description. You can check out these links for more details and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.